If you're like most people, you're quite often clicking numerous website links and scanning barcodes with your iPhone. And when doing so, you may not realize you're opening new browser tabs when clicking on different web links. If Safari is your default web browser, you may end up with many and quite possibly hundreds of tabs open. I discovered this issue recently on my mother's iPhone. She had 130 Safari tabs open, and at first, it wasn't apparent how to close all tabs at once, especially if you're a Chrome user. I was closing one tab at a time. There is an astonishingly simple way to close all tabs at once. Go ahead and open up Safari. You might be in a full page view or possibly in tab view. If you're viewing a web page, click on the tab icon here in the lower right corner. So the secret is this tabs button can either be tapped or long pressed. If you tap it, it will toggle between the open browser page and a view of all open tabs. When you long press the tabs icon, you will now see a menu of available options, with one of those options being to close all tabs or even a single tab. The other option to close all tabs is when you're in the View All Tabs window. Long press the Done button, and you will see the option to close all tabs. Too simple, right? Please like and subscribe, and in the comments tell us what issues you need solving on your Apple device.